Simply Scene app, my Scene app. So yeah, you can just open it up, and then basically here, yeah, you just have this app, and then the idea is that you can just adjust your voice. I let our app adapt every song to your unique voice so you can sing comfortably no matter the artist, and finally hit those high notes. Discover your voice type and let the app adapt to pitch your match to match your range perfectly. So kind of really cool AI app. And so basically you first to do onboarding, you need to go and set intro. Just you need to repeat some words and then try your vocal range. So you need to sing lower notes and then sing higher notes. And then let's, for example, see you the idea. We pick, so
First, let's sing the song in its original key.
I now
Ever wondered why you can't always hit those high notes? What if I told you you can? The song just wasn't set to a vocal range that fits you. And we can fix that easily. Simply Sing
Adapts the song's vocals for you.
so that it fits your voice. This way, you'll be able to sing any song comfortably and hit those high notes
So
of
here,
all
yeah, you
your
can just see
favorites.
some explanations. And finally, you can just tap to unlock songs. And then just,
Congratulations!
You've unlocked the Simply Sing song library.
Now, the magic happens. Every song, no matter how high or low, will automatically adapt to your unique voice. So no song is out of reach. Sing anywhere, anytime, with custom playlists and easily adjust the playback singer's
so yeah,
volume.
then you can just
Oh,
see it
and don't forget, you can practice songs using live feedback. You have so much to explore. So let's get you singing.
So now you have a library of your favorite songs adapted to your voice. Basically, new songs added every week. You can just add notifications, and then then you can just sing for yourself and practice singing. And then there are different types of hits, and then there is your profile. So it's just really important to do this first onboarding correctly. So you just identifies your vocal range correctly. Then you have your account, you have your vocal range, that is like bass, for example. And then, if you just want to relieve stress or just want to improve your singing, that's like a pretty cool app. And then also there is like a nice tutorial for singing where you can just sing and just follow this tutorial, kind of similar as in Duolingo, and learn singing. So yeah, try it out.